here you run the job just to pass an image to the tool. So now it fed the image to the tool, you can see here. Then if you double click the tool, you can edit the properties and everything for the tool. So as you see your circle. This is you have two things. You have the input image and the last one input image. So if you select the input image, you'll see the image itself. If you select the input image, it shows you the tool. So you can move that circle to be somewhere else. So we're going to put it on top of the circle to find it. So, this is the fit circle. I grabbed the wrong one. I'm kind of blind. This is the find circle. So if we delete, right click, there's a menu, select delete, it deletes the tool. Find circle. I grabbed the wrong one. So we do the same thing. We drag the output to the input. So now they are linked. So we feed the image. Now we double click to open. And same thing, we have the input image and the last one input image. So now we can, right now you see like half a circle, we need to make it look like that one, and then we can find it. So, let's go back to this one with the wheel, you can zoom in and out. So this is the tool itself. So we need to grab it. Oops, I grabbed the wrong thing. Let me change that calipers. Looks nice?
Yeah, it looks nice. That's it.
I will explain that in a minute. Okay. If you right click, you have this menu. You can feed image, it's going to feed the image on your tool. So just move these there. And you can zoom in. If you grab, you see these pink arrows at the end. If you grab those, you can continue the tool to be a full circle, or you can find something else. So you can go there to find a full circle. The size, here you have the size of the circle has the radius, 100. I think that was like 0.2, 0.1. I don't forgot what we. 0.2. Let's now. That's too little. This is in pixels. It's not in size. It's not in millimeters.
Oh, yeah.
So this is pixels. Everything in the vision software is pixels.
Oh, pixels.
Yeah. I don't know how many pixels is that. It's about that. So you put it on top of the shape. You zoom in, you see these squares are called calipers. So that's what it's going to try to find. Vision works trying to find contrast between two things. So we're going to try to find the contrast between the line that we marked and the outside or the inside of the surface, which is a different color, so we see the contrast. So we have these calipers. Here you can add more calipers. You need more calipers or less calipers depending on the size or depending how well the image is done. So you can put 8, and you will add more calipers. You can change the length of the calipers. That matters because it's going to search for the circle within that square or rectangle. So if you make the calipers bigger, you can find the circle better. You can also make them the projection length. You can make them wider. You can make them, narrower. Oops. I put 50. Okay. So depending on the shape you want, or whatever you want to find, you choose the settings for your calipers. So now we have that.